Greetings from Florida. This video should show you how to diagnose your power window problems. See any of our other 200 videos if you want details on how to take off the door panel or replace your power windows.
Hey, it's Scott, Power Up Auto. So let's say your window is down. My car is off, by the way, so it's not going to respond to anything, but I just want to show you what's going on. Let's say your window is down. You hit the button to go down and you hear a click. That tells you that the switch is registering with the motor because you're hearing the click in the motor. You hit the button for it to go up, you hear nothing. Probably going to involve changing the master window switch, which might be 4 buttons, it might be 6 buttons, it might be the whole thing. If you hear a crunching, grinding sound, more than likely it's your regulator, the cables that pull the window up and down on a metal cross brace. Pretty common, and you would definitely know it. It sounds like there's glass grinding inside your door. If you go to put the window up and you hear a click, that tells you that the switch is registering with the motor, but the motor is saying, nah, I can't do it anymore, I'm dead. In which case you're probably changing your window motor. And in some cases, it's a regulator motor assembly, if it's a cable regulator. If it's one of the older style cars with a steel regulator, you might be just replacing the motor. And if you need details on that, you can go to any of my videos on our site. There's about 200 of them as to specific cars and how to change the regulators and the motors. And I thank you.
What I'm going to show you here is how to get the window back up again if it's down. If the problem is the motor, what you can do, or the switch, what you can do is put 2 wires onto the terminals on the motor and 2 wires onto the terminals on a cordless battery pack from a cordless screwdriver or cordless drill. I'm at the salvage yard right now, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut the wiring harness to make it a little bit easier so I can just get access to the wires. You should be able to easily put the window up without breaking the regulator by stripping off some of the wire. And again, I would just use other wires. I wouldn't strip off the wire if you're on your door panel, but again, I was at the junkyard. So you're going to apply current directly to the motor from a cordless screwdriver or a cordless battery. Your car system is 12 volts. The cordless screwdriver I'm using is 9.6. You could certainly use a 36 or an 18 volt battery pack from a cordless drill, but that might be too much power, so use caution if you do that. And if it's a 6, it went back up, by the way. I guess I didn't show you it went back up, but trust me, it went back up. If you could also remove the motor if you wanted to and pull the glass up. And if it's a 6-wire system, you're looking for the 2 largest wires. Those are probably your power wires. So it could be a 6 or an 8-wire system, in which, oh, right there I'm showing you, I could have just taken off the screws to take the motor out. So you could apply the current directly to the 2 largest